Hello friend, Jai Swaminarayan. Standard 7, chapters 4, number system. First we will understand what is the number system. Okay, so a number system is used for counting or express the amount of some quantity. Number is means what? Number means, suppose if you want to count 1 2 3, okay, if you have a 5 tens, okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, okay, if you have 10, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, okay. And in our computer is understanding only the two numbers 0 and 1. Whatever process we are typing or we are doing in a computer, okay, we are typing, we are sending the mail or any other activity, whatever activities we are doing in a computer will understand only the numbers 0 and 1, not any other languages, not any other activities, okay. That is the translate the any text file or any the file into the machine level language. Machine level language means 0 or 1 is a binary digit, okay, binary number. So this is our number system. In this number system we have the four type of position number system, okay. Positional, there are two main type of system, non-positional number system and positional number system, okay. First is what? Non-positional, and second one is a positional. Number system, we will see the positional number system. There are in a positional there are many four types, okay. First is a decimal, second is a binary, third is a octal, fourth is a hexadecimal. Okay, so there are basically four the types of number system, okay. Positional number system, decimal, the decimal will base value is a 10, okay. Decimal is a base value what? 10. Binary is a base value 2, like octal is a base value 8, and hexadecimal is a base value 16, okay. So this is our base value. We will learn about this base value, what is the use of base value, okay. So first only the remember right now, okay. What is the decimal number? Base value 10, decimal is for 10, binary for 2, octal for 8, and hexadecimal for 16. Now in a decimal number system, how we can count decimal number system, okay. So in a decimal number system, suppose digit like our we have in a decimal, base value is a 10 and number is a 0 to 9. Now you have 10 number, but which 10 base value, like 0 1 2 3 up to 9 numbers, okay. So you will get the 10, 1 to 9 is 9 and 0 is a 1 again, so 10. So that is total number of 10, that's why base value is a 10, okay. This is a rule for a decimal, so that's why we are taking the number base of 10. Now second is a binary number system. In a binary number, base value is a 2, okay, and the number is 0 or 1. Digit is 0 1, that base value is a 2, but which two numbers? So 0 and 1, these are the binary number system. Now we will see the how to conversion, okay. We will see again, okay, so the conversion we will discuss after that. First we will continue, okay. Octal number system, the third one is the octal. Octal is for 8, and 8 the value which one? So 0 to 1 2 3 up to 7, 0 to 7, that is for octal number. And the fourth one, next one is a hexadecimal, okay, that is for hexadecimal. the writing is very bad, okay, but it's no other option for sliding presentation, okay, so that's why we are taking on PowerPoint, okay. So hexadecimal number system is the base value is 16, okay, and the value is first is 0 to 9, 0 1, okay, here pen 0 okay, so here 0 1 2 up to first one is a 9, and then after that A is for 10, alphabetical A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, okay, A B C, D is for 14, 13, E is for 14, and F is for 15. So you will get the total 15 number, and 0 is 1, so total 16 number you will get, okay. So that is for our hexadecimal. Octal is for 8, binary is for 2, and decimal is for 10 numbers. Now we are going to see the conversion, okay. Why it's not working? Okay, only this in a previous slide is looking, okay, it's not working, I think. Okay, so we are going to see the next slide, okay. We'll take a new slide and we will learn from that again, okay. Okay, so we have already slides. Now we are going to see the conversion, how to convert, okay, how to convert the for that numbers like decimal to binary. First we will see the decimal to binary. So we have the decimal number like 42. First example is 42 is the base 10 is right like this way, okay, and we are going to convert 42 into binary. Binary is for 0 and 1. So how you can convert, like here 42 and you can like divide, okay, is a 10. So you will binary is base value what 2, so you will divide by 2, okay, base value by the base value, okay. 9 now 21 is 42, okay. So is you will get the remainder is a 0, so your remainder is 0. Now again 10 to the 20, but remainder is 1, okay, so remainder is a 1. Now 5 to the 10, okay, so 2 5 are 10, so remainder is 0. Now next 2 to the 4, remainder is 1, okay, and now 2 1s are 2, so remainder is 0. So you will get this from bottom to top, okay, and now write this number like start from the and finally enter this 1, okay, 1 1s are 1, so this is 1. So here 1 0 1 0 1 0, okay, so start from here 1 0 1 0 and 1 0, okay. So this is your binary number. So we have converted the this binary to decimal to binary. Again, if you want to cross check this number, okay, this our answer is right or wrong, so you can how to check this cross checking. See this you can select the multiplication, okay, like see the number here 1 0 1 0 1 0, okay. We are going to cross check, we will get the answer, our answer will getting the 42, will getting or not, okay. So we'll check. So first what we are doing, like the number here start from right side to left like this way, okay. First is a 0, 0 is multiplied by 2 raised to 0, okay, starting from 0. Second is a 1, 1 is a 2 raised to 1, okay, then 0, 2 raised to 2, then 0 1 0, then 1, 2 raised to 3, then 0, 2 raised to 4, then 1, 2 raised to 5. Now we will multiply this. 2 raised to 0, 0, and multiply 0, it means 0. 2 raised to 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 raised to 2, 4, 4, 0, 4 multiplied by 0, 0. 2 raised to 3, 8, 8 into multiply by 1, 8, 8 ones are 1. 2 raised to 4, 16, 16 into 0, 0. 2 raised to 5, 32, okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is called 32, and into 1, so that is 32. So now you will get okay, finally you will get the answer for the 42. 32 plus 8, okay, total 40, and plus 2, that is 42. Okay, so this is our answer here, 42. Okay, so you will get this kind of conversion. You can do the convert from the decimal to binary or binary to decimal. This was our binary to decimal, okay, opposite of this decimal. Okay, so that is called binary to decimal, and convert the decimal to binary. The same way you can convert it by the octal number and hexadecimal number, but it's not given in this chapter. Okay, and here also given the computer arithmetic, binary addition, subtraction, but it's not useful right now for this. Okay, so but otherwise also I am sending to your video for that. Okay, binary addition, binary multiplication, binary subtraction, and division. Okay, so this was our the number decimal number system. Then in number system we have the 4 types of main number system: octal number, binary number system, hexadecimal number system, okay, and decimal number system. So these are 4 types of decimal number system. So thank you and Jai Swaminarayan.